Hello, YouTube.
Hello.
It's me again.
Yep.
And
Kaya.
Kaya wants to show you.
Yep, I'm going to tell you the flavor. So this one is
Strawberry.
lemon strawberry.
Well, you got to tell them what it's about.
Lemon strawberry gum.
What's the video about? It's about that gum? Yeah, it's about garage gum.
Yeah. This one is...
That's pina colada.
Pina colada. This one's orange.
Yeah, orange.
This one's red berries and a mango and strawberry. This one's gum flavor. This one is lime cherry.
And that's it. I think we ate the other ones. We ate the grape and the black cherry. Let me get some more.
Yeah.
Did you tell them why do we have garage gum?
Because it keeps us busy.
Yeah, maybe.
It keeps us busy.
Does this light work better like this? You can see us now.
Turn on this light.
Okay, turn on.
Every day.
Turn off for a second.
Yeah.
In case you notice, see how bright it is behind us now? Yeah. That's from the new light, right?
Yeah, brand new light. It's so bright.
Okay, turn the light back on. So we can glare my forehead. Look like I'm getting a sunburn. Oh!
Sylvania.
So yeah, that's the only thing we're doing tonight is talking about garage gum. Because the phone is going to die.
Shine bright like a diamond. Like
Okay,
a diamond.
is that it?
Like a diamond.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Stay tuned for
Yeah,
more
it
videos.
shines like a diamond in the brightness.